Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word sportiest. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new model of the car is the sportiest version available, with a sleek design and powerful engine. Sportiest is used to describe the model of a car with the highest level of performance, athleticism, and dynamic design features compared to other versions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.